Guys, it is Allison. So today I'm doing a college room tour. I'm filming this intro in the bathroom because the lighting is a lot better in here, but it's echoey, so hopefully you guys can hear that. But basically I'm doing a college room tour. I've been waiting to do this video for so long, like literally since I moved in, and I just forgot to film it, so now I'm finally getting around to doing it. I hope you guys enjoy watching it and seeing just like what my room looks like, because if you've been following my vlogs and watching them, you kind of see what my room looks like just in the background. But if you guys want to see like an in-depth look at what my room looks like, then just keep watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification down below to be notified every time I upload. I upload college style videos, faith related videos, and lifestyle videos basically, so if you don't want to miss out on any of those videos, don't forget to subscribe. And I guess with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this video and we can just get right into the room tour. Okay guys, so we start off at the door obviously, and I'm not going to show everything like my roommate's side just because I don't know if she wants that on the internet, so I'm just going to show you guys my side. So just imagine her bed and everything is on the side. So this is what my side looks like. As you can see, my bed, obviously my bedding is from Target. I don't know if they still have it because it was kind of like on sale or clearance or something like that, but yeah, I just got it from Target. It was not that expensive. And then these 3 pillows over here from Target. This pillow came with my another Target comforter set, and then just have 2 pillows, one with the same sham that this comforter came in, and then just a basic white one from Target as well. And then I have lights around this area over here, and I'll actually insert a clip of my lights in like my room when it's like dark and all that, so you guys can see. And then I have this little photo kind of like light string thing going on, and so I just have a bunch of like pictures. I'm thinking of changing these just as the year goes on, so hopefully it'll change a bit. And then down here I just have my desk, so I have my makeup brushes just chilling there. I have my little cacti, then I have another one of the plants, but this is, I don't know, I'm not good with plants, but yeah, I just got those. They're from Target. And then I got this makeup mirror from Bed Bath & Beyond. It just lights up like this, kind of has like a halo kind of vibe to it. And then I just have my little letter board that just usually has a Bible verse. I usually change them out every Sunday so that when I start off the week it's a different one. So yeah, this one is Remember Whose You Are, John chapter 1 verse 12. And I got it from Target. A lot of these things are from Target, not sponsored. And then this alarm clock is also from Target, and I just like having that like when I'm working or anything like that. It's just nice to know the time. And then I have my Bible, my student study Bible, ESV translation. I got from Amazon, as well as my Jesus Calling devotion by Sarah Young. It's also from Amazon. I'll try and link everything in the description box down below of things that you guys might be interested in. And then I got my lamp from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I just have a bunch of stuff. I have some earbuds that I use for editing, gum, my Bluetooth earbuds, my regular earbuds that came with my old phone, hand cream, lip balm, USB flash drive thing, my phone charger, my iPad charger. This is a little like photo thing from my senior prom. And then I also have my little pillow mist from Bath and Body Works. I get those confused. It's like a little pillow sleep mist. So I have that here. Then I have my laptop here because I'm about to do work, so I have that ready to go. Then here I just have my trash can, as you can see. And then in here I just have a bunch of stuff. This is like a little safety inspection they did, so I just have the paper. I have my pencil case, the box that my photo string lights came in, and then I have these 2 little like bins that are from Five and Below, and they're just nice pink colors. And I just have my chargers in here, my like YouTube stuff, like hard drives, stuff like that, and then just like random receipts underneath it. I have my letters for my letter board. I just have like batteries, I think, some like random boxes. I think that's like my Bluetooth speaker, some batteries here, just random kind of stuff. Oops, okay. And then here is my little blanket that came with just another Target comforter set. So it's just super nice. It's like a microfiber, I think is the term for it, which is super soft. And then yeah, this chair kind of rocks, which is a little weird. And then also this broke off. It was already like that when I came, so yeah, just to let you guys know I didn't break it. So yeah, I just have a bunch of stuff. This is gonna be really hard to do with one hand, but I just have my folder, notebook, whiteboard, a couple notebooks, calculator, post-it. What else is in here? My iPads. This is like a little accordion file organizer, and my mouse and my mouse pad. I don't always have them out, so that's why it's like tucked underneath here. So yeah, those are just some of the things in here. A lot of school stuff, obviously. So yeah, that is that. And then down underneath my bed I have a stool so I can get up, because it's pretty high up to get to. So I have a stool, and then usually I have the shoes that I'm going to be wearing that day, so it's still there. I'm wearing my house slippers, and then I have a fan in the back, but I honestly don't need it at this point because it's starting to get cold. So I don't really need that, but especially when it was hot and I was going places, it's nice to cool off with the fan. And then I have this little just drawer or storage organizer thing, and it's from Target. Yeah, I think. Yeah. And so in here I just have school stuff. As you can see, it kind of doesn't close, but it's okay. And then here I just have skincare things, so cotton rounds, moisturizer, face mist, all that stuff. So yeah, I have that a lot. And then I have random things in here as well. I just have Q-tips, band-aids, some feminine products, my dry shampoo, body mist, hair serum, my Mario Badescu little drying lotion. I have my flat iron, nail polish remover, hairbrush. I think that's it there. And then down here I just have a bunch of other stuff. I just have trash bags and that stuff, do face mask, extra cups, light bulbs, wet ones, just random things. I have a manual for my rice cooker. So yeah, that is that. And then I have my makeup here, which I thought was super nice, because I think it's sometimes like things like this, I just feel like I just don't want to have on my desk. So it's nice to like kind of keep this like, you know, tucked away. And move over here, I just have my backpack just chilling here. It's nice and tucked away. I don't have much under here, so that's pretty much it. And then we'll go into my closet afterwards. So we go into the bathroom. I have my mirror here, and that is from Container Store. So I'm just gonna close the door, and then this is what my bathroom looks like. Again, I'm not gonna show my roommate stuff, but it might be around here, so I can't really do anything about that. But I'm not gonna go and show her things. And so we have this hanging shower caddy. My stuff is all that, and then my loofah is right there, and then that's what the bathroom looks like. And then the bathroom rug is from Amazon, and it's like a microfiber one. I'm gonna turn on the lights so it's like nicer looking. And so we have the toilet, obviously, Kleenex, you know, the usual. Most of these things are my roommate's things, but so my toothbrush there, and then we have our little hand soap from Bed Bath & Beyond, or Bath and Body Works. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so confused. And then we have a mirror here. What up? And then under here, this is my side. I just have this bin from Five and Below, and I just have a bunch of stuff here: mouthwash, body wash, baby shampoo, floss picks, my retainer, a headband for when I wash my face, a spray, and then flushable wipes. And then I think I have just like extras over there. So yeah, that's pretty much my section there. And then I have my towels here. That's, I guess, pretty much what's in the bathroom. So yeah. Oh, I forgot to mention that is from Amazon. So yeah, that is the bathroom. And then, oops, and then we make our way out here, and I just have my closet. So it's pretty big, I would say. So yeah, we can go into it. So over here, there's like this kind of area rack thing that you can put clothes on. So I just put my short sleeves. I don't have that many clothes here, so it's kind of looks bare, but you know, it's fine. And so I have this bin from Five and Below. I have just this random Prime student box that I got for free, and then some paper towels, some toilet paper. I have like some like laundry bags in here, and my disinfectant wipes, my bathroom cleaner, Tide Pods, some Downy sheets or dryer sheets, and then I have this bag filled with reusable bags and also just like plastic bags, which I need to get rid of, but I'm just going to use them as trash bags. And then I have my little mini suitcase when I go home, and also my duffel when I go home as well. And then I have a bunch of just like fall hoodie clothes thing items here. I have the bar for if I want to take, because I de-lofted my bed, so I just have that railing over here. And then I have my bag that my comforter came in, my hamper, which came, I think it's I think it's from Walmart. And then I just have a bunch of my laundry there, extra hangers here. I have my pajama tops here. I have a lot of blue because I got a lot of them are DePaul shirts, so yeah. And then I have my jeans here. I just roll them up. And then I have my pajama bottoms, which I've rolled up too. And then up there I just have my purses. I just have a black crossbody one, and then a Michael Kors brown one. So that is that. And then there's also light if you wanted to know, but I don't use it. And then that's on this side. So on this side we have this. So at the top I just have a couple hoodies, and then my just extra blanket for when it gets cold here, like winter time. I have a bunch of my tennis shoes here. I have to bring some more like boots since it's fall time. I have this box for my dinner set, like my plates and my bowls. And then I have this another one of these bins there it's from Five and Below, and I just have some workout stuff in here. Not much because I don't really work out here, at least. And then I have a bunch of like bedding stuff in here, so like extra pillowcases, extra bed sheets, extra fitted sheets. And then I have a little mini vacuum. And then in this I just have my bras and underwear. Then my socks, pretty much. So yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much all that's in my closet. It's really big if you think about it. Like I have quite a bit of space. And then this is like, again, another shelf, so you could put like, or another rack of clothes could go on here. So yeah, but I have my hamper there, so I was like, it's fine. So yeah, that is all in my closet. So I'm just going to show you guys again, kind of around, so you guys can kind of get an idea of what my room looks like again. So yeah, that is my room. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for watching.